Good evening. Two teenage girls from Churubusco have won a lawsuit in which they claimed their First Amendment rights were violated.
It was over some sexually suggestive pictures the then sophomores posted to their MySpace pages during the summer. A judge ruled the school's punishment for them was inappropriate and the policy is too vague. It's been 2 years since some sexually suggestive pictures on MySpace were taken off the internet to the Churubusco High School principal. Since then, the two female athletes have been fighting the school and principal in court. Their claim, the punishment for the pictures was out of line and their First Amendment rights were violated. Now, a judge agrees with them.
We're just very happy. I think both the girls and the parents felt very strongly that what happened was wrong.
The principal, Austin Couch, initially suspended the two girls in the pictures from sports for a year, but the sentence was eventually reduced to 25% of the volleyball season after the girls publicly apologized to the coaches board. The ACLU took up the case because the pictures were taken during the summer at a sleepover, and they say they don't affect the school in any way.
The students were not identified in any of the postings as coming from that high school, so I think that the school was taking a much broader view of its power to discipline students engaging in First Amendment activities.
The judge also ruled the policy the school was enforcing was too broad.
Allowed for punishment for activities that impacted First Amendment rights, and it also was vague. It's really impossible to tell what discredit or dishonor means in that context.
Eric Weber, the attorney for Smith and Green Community Schools, say they don't agree with the entire ruling, but they are glad the judge ruled the principal cannot be sued for damages. It's still unclear whether the school can be held responsible.
I don't think anyone is advocating that this behavior be behavior that everyone engage in, but the fact of the matter is the school took very non-school impacting behavior and used that to punish the students.
Fox says all parties involved will meet on August 29th to discuss the next step. Weber says the school is still evaluating its option to